Oh my goodness. I'm a terrible person. I am a terrible, terrible person. Anyways, let's get back to this. Let's get back to this. All right. Let's see. So let's go to. All right. So why does this say that? What are the latest trends in software testing? What is the role of QA engineer in software development lifecycle? So why is it red? Like a lot of questions to me. I don't understand. I don't understand the. Is it that it doesn't have enough questions or what? We can always do like this. This is we can always do this later. Now what? Guess we go. Guess we go back. It says it's acceptable. So now what do we do? What do we do now? Let's go to engage maybe. See who's speaking to your clone. How do I speak to my clone? Monetize. What can I? How can I monetize this? So, enable your audience to subscribe to memberships and monetize your clone. Start earning money while you sleep. Create membership tiers to start earning money on your clone. What? So they get 20%. I don't know how that works. Let's go back. Let's go to engage. Add user. Oh, okay. So I have to wait for my identity to be verified before I can all right. So how can I use this though? Let's go to your identity must be verified first. Let's go to here. Can we try it? I can't even try it out. That sucks. Let me open up a let me see if I go here. Okay, let's see. So that you know what? This could be useful. So let's say you get to this page, and let's say we do. Give me a question. Give me a question. Give me a question. I will go to. Let's see. How can I become a QA engineer with no experience? Let's see what the response is. Breaking into QA engineer without prior experience is all too possible. You've got to focus on building a foundational skill set and leveraging any relevant experience you might already have. Start by learning the basics of software testing principles and software development lifecycle. Tools like Selenium are invaluable to get comfortable with. Next, get some practical experience. This could be through internships, contributing to open source projects, or even working on personal projects to apply your knowledge. Platforms like GitHub offer a plethora of projects. Also consider. All right, so let's just cut that part. All right. This is definitely nothing that I would ever say. So, this answer is so AI. Nothing based on what I would say. This total fail. I would never, ever, 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 ever say this line right here. Nope. Not me. Not happening. Say it ain't so. Just saying. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. All right, let's see. Let's see what read aloud does. Breaking into QA engineering. All right, hold on. Can I get the, will I be able to share the system audio with you? Let me see. All right, let's see. Let's see how it sounds.
Breaking into QA engineering without prior experience is all too possible. You've got to focus on building a foundational skill set and leveraging any relevant experiences you might already have. Start by learning the basics of software testing principles and software development life cycles. Tools like Selenium are invaluable, so get comfortable with them. Next, get some practical experience. This could be through internships, contributing to open source projects, or even working on personal projects to apply your knowledge. Platforms like GitHub offer a plethora of projects where you
Do I sound like that? Do I? Do I? Hold up. Do I sound like that? Is that accurate? I don't know. We might have some problems here. I think that the response is way too long though. Let me go and let's go to refresh this page. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna drop it in the chat too. Here. Let me know if you can see this. Interact with my chatbot. Boom. Interact with the chatbot. Let me know if you can go have a conversation with my chatbot. Let me see. Let me try to shorten up the responses. Where did I do that? Response setting. Okay, you are definitely less strict because you know, if you know anything about me, I would never suggest ISTQB. Come on, you got to do better. Let's go with, you don't know me well enough, all right? You don't know me well enough. All right, let me try that again. Let's try that again. So, is Mitch the greatest data analytics engineer to ever live? Let's see. I'm curious. I want to know. I'm not sure who Mitch is. What? In the context of data analytics engineering, so I can't comment on his status as the greatest in the field. However, defining greatness in any profession, including data analytics engineering, often involves a mix of innovation, impact, and the ability to drive significant advancements in their career field. What qualities or achievements do you think define a great data analytics engineer? This is very, very offensive to me that they don't know who Mitch is. All right, a shame. What other question? Can I land a job, or can I become a junior software engineer after a 2-week boot camp? Jumping into a junior software engineering role after a 2-week boot camp is ambitious, but not out of the question if you approach it with the right mindset and strategy. This is not me. This is not me talking. I don't like this whatsoever. I would never give such bad advice. I would say hell to the nah, nah, nah. You are not getting a junior software engineering role 2 weeks after a 2 week boot camp. To maximize, or however, becoming proficient enough to secure a junior position typically requires more extensive hands-on experience and deeper knowledge. To maximize your chances, focus on applying what you learn immediately. So I would say that work on personal projects or contribute to open source to showcase your skills. Networking is also crucial. Connect with professionals in the field. Attend. All right, whatever. Let's see. Let's go back to over here. Let's see. I'm not crazy about the answers, I'll tell you that. What is this call thing? Oh, wait, I'm calling. Let's see what happens.
Hi, I'm Tech Coach Ralph. How can I help?
Hey, Tech Coach Ralph, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I assist you on your tech journey today?
So, I just recently completed a boot camp and I don't have any experience in the field of QA, but I was wondering how much of a salary should I be expecting for my first job?
Starting salaries for entry-level QA positions can vary, but you might expect something in the range of $45,000 to $60,000 annually. This depends on your location, the company's size, and your negotiation skills. Have you started applying to any specific companies yet?
I haven't started yet, but the boot camp told me that I should be able to make, about 90,000 to 110,000 starting off as a manual tester. Are you saying they lied to me?
That seems quite high for an entry-level manual tester. Typically, salaries for such roles range from $45,000 to $60,000 annually. It might be worth verifying with industry standards and job listings in your area. Have you considered looking into companies that offer internships or entry-level positions to get started?
So I haven't thought about that yet. Do you think the boot camp lied to me?
It seems like the boot camp may have exaggerated the starting salary expectations. Entry-level manual testers typically earn between $45,000 and $60,000 annually. It's essential to verify with industry standards and job listings. Have you considered internships or entry-level positions to gain experience?
Should I ask for a refund?
If the boot camp significantly misled you about salary expectations, it might be worth discussing your concerns with them. However, consider the skills and knowledge you've gained as well. Have you thought about leveraging this experience to explore internships or entry level positions?
So last question. My friend Alexis said that if you're in a relationship, your AI clone is not allowed to date. Do you agree?
Your friend Alexis is correct. An AI clone like me doesn't have personal relationships or the ability to date. I'm here to help you with your tech journey. Have you thought about which companies you'd like to apply to first?
No, that's all. Thank you. And I wish you didn't agree with Alexis, but I guess AI knows everything. And so I'm just going to let it go. All right. Thank you.
I get it. If you have any more questions or need guidance on your tech journey, feel free to reach out. Take care and good luck with your career in QA.
That was hilarious. That was that was too fun. That was too fun. I must say that was so fun. Oh my god. I had a conversation with myself. That is crazy. That is so super crazy. Um that is so crazy. Oh my god. I can't believe we just did that. I can't believe we just did that. Um